How to withdraw USDT from your Trust Wallet. First of all, open Trust Wallet on your device. Go ahead and click on the search icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. After you have done clicking on the search icon, just go ahead and search for USDT. After it opens up, go ahead and tap on it. You can see the option of send. Go ahead and tap on send, which is right next to receive. After that, what you need to do is enter the address or domain name of your other account. After you have done that, you can see the USDT amount. Just go ahead and enter the USDT amount you are sure to transfer to your other account. After that, tap on next. Make sure that you do have enough balance, otherwise you cannot complete this process. So it's quite easy to withdraw USDT from your Trust Wallet. All you need to do is, first of all, open Trust Wallet, click on the search icon on the top right hand side, search for USDT and click on it, then tap on send. After you tap on send, enter the address or domain name. You can also use the scanner. Just go ahead and tap on this option. This is the scanner. The scanner will open up, and then you can easily scan the code as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.